Good morning, everybody. I'm Francesco Giuletti, and today I'm going to present about the funding of this very interesting activity, which was about students in the digital age, and it allowed me to go through the use of technology in school and in the perspective of the student-centered learning. Had the chance to interview three teachers working at the International Community School of Addis Ababa, among them one EY4 teacher and two high school teachers, one teaching social studies, IB, and theory of knowledge, and the other one teaching French. I had the chance to interview them in person, recording their answers and then writing them down. I put down some 10 questions which were aimed to cover all the aspects of the use of technology in their work as teachers, so they had very comprehensive and exhaustive answers from their side. Coming to the findings of the interviews, they all agree that technology is part and parcel of the teaching process and it could not be different in the modern area. Technology allows real-time and efficient sharing, engagement, and motivation for students. It also promotes creativity and contributes to develop the 21st century skills. Schools in the modern era widely use technology tools such as online platforms for teachers, students, and parents, software and applications for communication, grading, assessment, task assignments, and research, among others. Main tools used by those teachers are Google Classroom, Google Docs, Toggl, PowerSchool, MindMap, and Flickr. Teachers who grew up in the digital era found it easier to adapt to the extensive use of technology in teaching, while those who started a long time ago had to engage in capacity building and training. For sure, COVID-19 pandemic contributed to this strong shift towards technology, to the extensive use of virtual teaching. Technology also helps differentiation and adaptation, ensuring student-centered learning through the use of technology, tools, and devices tailored according to the student's needs. Accommodations for students with special needs are much easier. In regards to English language learner, uh, ELL, all teachers agree that they are facilitated in their learning path, as there are several tools available to be used. It is essential, though, to assess the student's needs with a 360 degrees approach, considering their background, family context, and past teaching strategies used. Google tools are widely used, as well as online libraries. Among the tools, Seesaw, PeerDeck, Nearport to make videos, Flipgrid, Kahoot, and others. For sure, access to online libraries provides a unique opportunity to expand the range of available books and resources, enhancing research and information cross-checking. In regards to students with special needs, all teachers said that students with special needs are very much supported through technology tools, particularly using speech-to-text application, assisted listening applications, tactile tools. Teachers can assign tasks and have students working on them independently. They also listed a number of techniques and strategies which can be used with students with special needs, such as devices that convert text to speech, speech recognition software that converts speech to text manipulation that increases font size to accommodate vision impairments, transcribing tools that allow students to control the speed of audio transmissions, portable keyboards and computing devices that are customizable and mobile, and allow students to become or remain engaged as they move from one classroom to the next. And then for the future, also wearable devices will strongly support students with special needs. Afterwards, after the interview to the three teachers, I had the possibility to administer a 9-question survey monkey to students in high school. I had the cooperation from one of the teachers who was really kind and supportive to me. The findings from the monkey survey from students gave me a lot of information about them, so I got really to know them a bit more. So I learned that they have different preferences and tastes when it comes to subjects they like the most, starting from art, creative writing, chemistry, social studies, and others. Regarding the leadership skills, they feel strong in that. They feel strong. They mostly went for listening and speaking, while reading and writing it's a bit below. In terms of language spoken at home, most of them they speak English, and some of them they have a second language spoken at home. In regards to after-school activities, they mostly highlighted that they like to practice sport, art, music, and then play video games. In terms of technology tools, mostly used in their everyday life, they use mobile application, computer application, video games, and also specific tools like Chrome, Google, Flipgrid, Noodle Tools, and others. Most of them participate in extracurricular activities at school, mostly sport like football, volleyball, basketball. Then they also participate in robotics, uh, read, read groups, and social activities or music. Um, Many of them feel that they need additional support from teachers in terms of their homeworks, while classwork and research are predefined, and then some others feel that they need more support in terms of organizing their work and how to use the study halls because they feel a bit lost in that. Regards to their feeling about the support from the teachers, most of them feel that they get sufficient support from teachers, while others said that they would need additional support, particularly in organizing their work, in getting help whenever they need it, um, providing an assistance when it's needed the most, and then also in organizing specific activities. But most of them said that they felt they had sufficient support from the teachers. Coming to the last question, which was very general, I asked them what is their biggest dream or goal in life, and they came up with different ideas, some related to work, some related to the feelings and to their personal development and growth. Some of them came up with some dreams and regarding their future life. So this was really interesting activities, and I was really glad to have gone through that. So thank you so much.